It's time to make this our dream bathroom. Get rid of the green bathtub. Carefully remove this old vanity and, oh no, where's the window? That escalated quickly. Tear out linoleum, fix the cracks on the ceiling, add some shiplap. You must have a huge shower and bathtub. We had to level out our floors because it was very unlevel. Then figure out how to waterproof everything before we could towel. We wanted built-ins next to our shower, and then because we were doing a herringbone pattern, we had to figure out how to cut triangles and use leveling spacers. But all in all, it really wasn't that hard, and you can probably do it too. We ordered marble from a place in Pittsburgh, but we left the glass installation to the professionals. The vanity was huge and hard to get in there, but not hard to install. We sprayed the mirrors to match and installed 2 light fixtures, frosted the glass, put the built-ins off forever, asked you guys what color. You said brown, we went gray. But we are so happy with how everything turned out. It is so hard to believe that we actually did this bathroom renovation ourselves, especially because we had no prior knowledge in home renovation. You can do this too. Just let us know what type of videos you guys would like to see a breakdown of. We can show you how to tile, how to do the build-ins, how to wire, the cost side. Just let us know what you want to see and we'll make a more detailed video for you. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, be sure to subscribe to our channel.